we're gonna do a load of mixed ones, and then we're doing the proper good ones. James, no, mix up. So we do like all the ones that we haven't done yet. Have we done this one? No. We did. So I have like a shotgun thing. Or it's like an air rifle basically.
Yeah, and I have the Nerf rival.
Okay,
Let's go. So, the rival against that gun, which ones do you think is going to win? This one or that one? So, leave it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. So, and she is going to do stuff right now. So, basically, here is my gun. This is what it looks like with arrows on and everything. You see the cocking action. You have the safety mode. You see right here that orange button. Put it that way so you cannot shoot. But if you put it this way, you can shoot. But there's no unjamming locking position. So let's go.
blue one first. The blue proper Nerf.
So that was pretty good, guys, but I think this one's gonna win. Let's have a look.
But wait, but the one that he's got right now, it's like does bulls, so you have to be quite careful. That was the bull, and it like went on the bed. So I think that would have both been 5-5. Fair? 5-5?
I'd say 6-5.
5-5.
Yeah, 5-5.
After we're gonna these ones, the next one, the last ones, we're doing our big beasts.
Yeah. A big beast.
No, I've got different beasts. Do yours first. But I'll do mine first actually. I have to turn screen, sorry. Hi. Again. This, I have to move out. This is my gun. It's massive, okay? And it's like mods. It's like mods, so it has loads of different things on it, and it's very long, okay? Oh, and it has a bendy thing. So, it's like when you're aiming, like, oh, and it's electric. Listen. Next. Oh no.
So this is my gun, and it makes a whistling sound, and you reload it like that. So basically, I got a red gun, what has a sniper, basically you can see, and it has the bullet right here. You can see. Which one do you think's gonna win? Let's do this now.
Yep.
Right. Off we go.
We'll
the
start
red.
the red, but we have to go now. Bye.
No, yeah.
We'll do one more. Bye.